Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to secure your Evernote account. First, open the Evernote application and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, open the Settings window. This is where you can manage different options for your Evernote account. On the left side of the Settings menu, you'll find several sections, including Preferences, Import, Login and Security, Devices, Connected Apps, Personal Info, and AI. The Login and Security section is where you can manage the security settings for your Evernote account. From there, you can access security-related options, such as your login settings and other account protection features, depending on your Evernote plan and version. You can also review the Devices section to see the devices connected to your account, and the Connected Apps section to manage third-party applications that have access to Evernote. Keeping your account secure is important. Using a strong password, reviewing connected devices, and checking your security settings regularly can help protect your notes and personal information. If you ever notice an unfamiliar device or app connected to your account, you should review it and remove access if necessary. Taking a few minutes to review these settings can help keep your Evernote account safe and secure, and that's how you can access the security-related settings in Evernote. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Evernote tutorials and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.